So in your computer keyboard, if your number lock key is off, you must turn on the num lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. After that you must type a keyboard shortcut 0179. Okay, I'll show you how to create this. For doing this, first you must open Microsoft Word, MS Word in your computer, and after that you must type the letter A. So after typing A, you must press and hold this alt key, and then you must type, make sure that the number lock is on also, no? So make sure the number lock is on, then press and hold this alt key. After that you must type here 0179, and then you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that a cube arrive like this, and then you must click this plus button. Then again you must type the letter B, then do the same thing, that is press and hold this alt key, and after that you must type here 0179. After typing 0179, release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that it appears like this, and suppose if you want to change the case, then you must simply select the small letter A. Just turn off the caps lock and select small letter A. You can see that it appears like this now. For more you can subscribe. Thank you.